Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Situated within the Boronia Activity Zone, close to schools, shops, restaurants and public transport, is this high-density development opportunity, a must-see for the astute buyer. Boasting 2 dwellings on one title that could be easily rented out for a combined total of $2,620 per calendar month. Both homes have good functional floor plans with heating, cooling and car accommodation. Close to all amenities, this site would be ideal for somebody looking to complete a high-yield townhouse development or apartment complex. Be quick to express your interest before this fantastic chance to secure this rare property passes by. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.